What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. This is kind of going off of my Hanma iron review. Not really a review, but an unboxing. I unboxed my Hanma irons. So far, so good. We are going to officially put them to the test, as you see with the title. The question is kind of dumb because it's like, how hard is pro golf? And I more so took it like, how hard is pro golf slash competitive golf slash golf that you're playing for money? So you're entering a tournament, paying money, and then if you get top 4, then you get some money in return. I think that I will figure out, and most of you already know or will figure out, that anytime there's money involved and it's golf, everybody's so freaking good, and it's ridiculously hard. But I'm not doing much. I've been taking golf a little bit more seriously. I'll go through the bag later, maybe a different video. I've updated a lot of the bag, and I don't know, I just feel like might as well enter some tournaments, get some content maybe, and we'll see how it goes. Yeah, this event is at least match play. Thank God it's tomorrow morning. Thank God it's match play. So we'll kind of see how we do, see if I advance to the second round and semis and then finals. Yeah, I'll try to record some. I may just like try to stick a GoPro out the cart for a couple other shots so you can kind of see some tournament shots. And yeah, we'll see. Just like my background, some people know, but I played a year of Division I golf. Like, I wouldn't call it like Division I golf, because if you look at the Division I standings, my team was always dead last or super far down. So obviously it's not the best, but it was still had a full ride scholarship, half academic, half golf scholarship. So played pretty well in the HBCU conference, and then yeah, was the freshman of the year runner-up for getting the second lowest score for a freshman at the conference tournament. So yeah, I don't know. We'll kind of see how it goes. Yeah, we all know pro golf is hard, and I guess this is just one of those things that I don't know. Might as well do. Stay tuned for the video, probably tomorrow or Sunday, and yeah, I'll let you know how it goes. And yeah, if you're trying to sponsor, you know, TaylorMade, Titleist, Adidas, somebody, Nike, no, I don't know. But yeah, help your boy out. Yeah, so I'll hit you up on that next video.